Here are today's biggest moves on the Indian stock market, analyzed straight from the exchange filings by flashfinance.news. 4 stories, ordered by market value from the largest company down, what changed, the key numbers, why it matters, and what to watch. Let's get into it. Story 1. Sanginita Chemicals. Subsidiary Augusta Green Energy announces Rs 7,800 crore 12 gigawatt solar ingot and wafer expansion. What changed? Wholly owned subsidiary Augusta Green Energy announced an upstream integrated 12 gigawatts ingot and wafer manufacturing facility with a Rs 7,800 crore outlay. The key numbers. Project cost, Rs 7,800 crore. Ingot and wafer capacity, 12 gigawatts each. Expected employment, 500 plus opportunities. Q1 June 2026 revenue, context Rs 25.31 crore. Why it matters? Marks a massive strategic expansion into solar photovoltaic manufacturing, far exceeding the scale of Sanginita's legacy chemical operations. Q1 revenue was Rs 25.31 crore. What to watch? Track disclosures regarding the financing structure, equity versus debt mix, capital deployment schedule, and commercial operational timelines for the 12 gigawatts facility. Story 2. Aban Offshore. Aban Offshore FY26 results filed under SERP, auditors issued disclaimer of opinion. What changed? Aban Offshore reported FY26 audited results signed off by the resolution professional, accompanied by a comprehensive auditor disclaimer of opinion. The key numbers. Standalone turnover, FY26 1,265.71 million Indian rupees. Unconfirmed term loans, 4,148.03 million Indian rupees. Unconfirmed bank deposits, 592.98 million Indian rupees. Overdue preference investments, 94.34 million Indian rupees. Standalone net worth, negative 9,627.95 million Indian rupees. Why it matters? The disclaimer highlights severe accounting limitations, unconfirmed debt balances of 414.8 crore rupees, and deep net worth erosion, underscoring critical insolvency risks for equity holders. What to watch? Track the ongoing SERP proceedings and resolution plan submissions before the NCLT Chennai, as equity value remains deeply at risk given negative net worth and auditor disclaimers. Story 3. Juniper Green Energy. JNPR wins 230 megawatts SECI FDRE RTC renewable power project at Rs 5.26 unit tariff. What changed? Juniper Green Energy secured a letter of award from SECI to build, own, and operate a 230 megawatts round-the-clock renewable energy project. The key numbers. Contracted capacity, 230 megawatts. Tariff, Rs 5.26 per unit. PPA term, 25 years. Execution period, scored within 24 months from PPA effective date. Awarding entity, Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited. Why it matters? Expands the company's operating pipeline and secures long-term 25-year revenue visibility with a sovereign-backed counterparty, SECI, at a fixed tariff of Rs 5.26 unit. What to watch? Monitor the formal execution of the Power Purchase Agreement, PPA, with SECI and updates regarding project financing and land acquisition over the coming quarters. Story 4. Refex Renewables and Infrastructure. Settles Rs 33.39 crore liability for Rs 16.51 crore to resolve insolvency petition against key subsidiary. What changed? Refex Renewables and its subsidiary entered definitive agreements to settle ongoing IBC and corporate litigations with Silrace, paying a reduced cash consideration and divesting non-core subsidiaries and trademarks. The key numbers. Settled loan liability, Rs 33 crores 39 lakhs 39,339. Final settlement paid, Rs 16 crores 51 lakhs 26,975. Settlement amount versus TTM revenue, tilde 23.3%. Ishan Solar sale consideration, Rs 3 crores 92 lakhs 58,420. Sunidizan trademark consideration, Rs 1 crore. Why it matters? The settlement removes an immediate insolvency threat over strategically important subsidiary Sharisha Solar LLP and extinguishes a Rs 33.39 crore liability, tilde 47% of TTM revenue, at an effective tilde 50.5% discount, helping stabilize the distressed balance sheet. What to watch? Track formal NCLT Chennai bench orders confirming withdrawal of Section 7 and Section 241 to 242 proceedings, as well as the accounting impact of the debt haircut and subsidiary divestment in the next quarterly results. That's today's market wrap. For the full AI analysis of every NSE and BSE filing, visit flashfinance.news. Like and subscribe for daily market updates. Educational analysis, not investment advice.